At the edge of a quiet lake, a wild little corella enjoys a peaceful moment in nature. It gently lowers its beak to sip the fresh lake water, then pauses, standing still with soft, fluffed feathers, soaking in the cool breeze. Eyes half closed, it looks completely relaxed. Just a cute corella enjoying the simple beauty of the wild. The ripples in the water and soft morning light make the moment feel calm and magical.
No, they're open.
But just nearby, a completely different scene unfolds. A group of cheeky sulphur-crested cockatoo completely ignores the lake. Instead, they gather around a park tap, choosing fresh running water instead. Clever and curious, they seem to prefer convenience over nature's calm. It's a funny contrast. Pure lake serenity versus city smart survival. And honestly, you can't help but smile